Minister. The third supplementary question will be asked by the Honorable Isaac.
Thank you again, Chairperson. Minister, referring to the 2019 ANC's manifesto and its proven failure to deliver for South Africans, every newspaper has spoken of Transnet's failure. And in view of the number of resignations and firings from Transnet and Eskom's executive and boards, it is clear that you have initially appointed them. And of course, they've been amongst your list of favored people. While as now, you accept no responsibility, Minister. So the question is that, will you agree, Minister, that this is indicative of crippling political meddling, failure of BBEE, and shockingly poor governance under your watch, Minister? Perhaps it's time, Minister, that you need to step down and leave. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member. The Honourable Minister.
Chairperson, I think what Mr. Honourable Isaac should have said is that he's launching the DA's election campaign now. And we welcome the launch. And we'll take you on in the field as well at the appropriate time. So, and just to remind you, Mr. Isaac, you belong to a 20% party. And you'll never succeed in going above that either. That's why you're looking at moonshots and so on. So, yes, no, I will. Don't get impatient. I will answer the question. And if the question is politically loaded, it will get a politically loaded answer as well. So, you've tried once before to say, you're responsible, go. No, I'm not going anywhere until the end of this term, firstly. Secondly, I accept responsibility. That's why we are changing boards where it's appropriate. Boards are saying to executives, go if you can't perform, because the level of performance that we are seeing is not good for the country, not good for the entity, and not good for the individuals themselves. So we act where it's necessary. Political meddling is this popular noise that's made all over the show. I can guarantee you I don't have the time for meddling. I don't have the spanner or anything else in my office to go around to fix a power station or anything like that. However, we need to understand where the failures are, what the root causes are, and make sure that somebody is giving attention to them. The last point is that you should come for a cup of tea. I'll explain to you the kind of damage that state capture has done to these institutions, and you tell me, if you were in the shoes of a CEO, of a board chair or a board member, what would you do to fix these institutions? It would take a hell of a long time to fix. And these are broken institutions. But we'll fix them. We've laid the platform. I'm confident that things will improve from this point onwards. And where there are lapses, we will act against the people who are responsible for those lapses.